Welcome back to day 13. I'm your instructor from Edulexis. Until now, our code ran from top to bottom and stopped. But what if you need a program to keep running until a specific condition is met? Today, we master the while loop. Think of a login screen. The app doesn't just close if you get the password wrong once, it keeps asking while the password is incorrect. That while is exactly what we are building today. The syntax is simple, while, followed by a condition, and a colon. As long as that condition evaluates to true, the indented block of code underneath will execute repeatedly. Imagine a gatekeeper. Every time the code finishes the block, it jumps back to the top and asks the gatekeeper, is the condition still true? If yes, it goes again. If no, the gate opens and the program moves on. Let's write our first loop. We'll set a variable count equals 1. We want to print numbers 1 to 5. Our condition will be while count. Inside the loop, we print count. But wait, if we stop here, count stays 1 forever. We must increment it. We add count plus equals 1. This is the update step, and it is vital. Let's trace this. Loop 1, count is 1. 1 less than or equals to 5 is true, print 1, count becomes 2. Loop 2, 2 less than or equals to 5 is true, this continues until count is 6. 6 less than or equals to 5 is false, so the loop ends. Simple, right? Now, let's see what happens if we forget to increment. If I comment out count plus equals 1, the condition 1 less than or equals to 5 stays true forever. Watch the console, it's printing the 1 non-stop. This is an infinite loop. If your terminal goes crazy like this, don't panic. Use the shortcut Ctrl+C to kill the process. This sends an interrupt signal to Python. Every developer has been here at least once. Let's make it interactive. We can use a while loop to wait for a user's command. Let's create a variable command equals. We'll loop until the user types quit the dot. Right, while command dot lower, not equals quit colon. Inside, we'll ask for input. This ensures that even if the user types quit in caps, the loop recognizes it and terminates gracefully. In complex programs, checking one condition isn't enough. We used flags. A flag is a Boolean variable, like active equals true. The loop runs while active. We change it to false when a specific event occurs. Sometimes you need to exit a loop instantly, regardless of the condition. We use the break keyword. If an if statement inside loop hits a break, the loop dies immediately. Let's try it with a SE simulation. Conversely, continue skips the rest of the current loop iteration and jumps back to the top. It's perfect for skipping specific items like skipping even numbers in a sequence. Let's build a minigame. A secret numbered guesser. We'll use a while loop to give the user unlimited tries until they get the number right, showing them higher or lower hints along the way. Today you learned how to repeat code, how to avoid crashing your CPU with infinite loops, and how to control flow with break and continue. Your challenge: create a while loop that sums numbers entered by a user until they enter 0.
Thank you for watching. Like if you learned something, share with your circle, and subscribe for more.